My name is Jocelyn Duarte, and I'm the Executive Director of the Salvadoran American Leadership and Educational Fund. During these very crucial times, as we're being witnesses of how immigration status is being used as a weapon in our community, it's definitely important for us to know how we can empower our communities through education. California, a sanctuary state. It means that our state and local resources will not be used to implement immigration laws. It also restricts the actions that can happen in certain spaces, including schools, hospitals, courthouses, and our actual public libraries. We also have individual rights that are protected regardless of our immigration right. We want to make sure that we remain silent. We do not have to answer to any immigration agency where we were born, our immigration status, or how we entered this country. And you have the right to remain silent until you have the opportunity to talk to a lawyer. You have the right, regardless of your immigration status, not to open the door to any federal agent, including an immigration agent. You have the right to see a warrant. The warrant must have two things that are important. One is your name, and second, your address, and it must be signed by a judge. We want to make sure that we ask the agent to either provide us with the warrant. It could be slipped under the door, or it could be shown through us through a window. You have the right not to sign any documents that are not provided to you, one, in your native language so that you fully understand. What we want to do is eliminate any probability that you will sign a deportation order. And so for that, we want to make sure that you are first given the opportunity to speak to a lawyer so that you know all of your rights. If you are stopped outside of your home, one of the things that we want to ask the agent, the law enforcement agency that is there, is ask him, am I being detained? Am I under arrest? If they tell us that we are not under arrest, that we are not being detained, then we're going to ask them, am I free to leave? If they say you are free to leave, then you're going to do so, but we're going to do it in a calm way. People can follow Salif on our social media, particularly our Instagram. So it will be @_SALEF to learn more about our rights and about resources that are available to our community.